How to make keto cauliflower hash with poblano peppers and eggs. The ingredients: 4 tablespoons sour cream, ½ teaspoon garlic powder, 3 ounce poblano pepper, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 12 ounce cauliflower, 4 tablespoon butter, 4 large eggs, salt and pepper to taste. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all ingredients. 2. In a bowl, mix together sour cream and garlic powder. Set aside. 3. In a food processor, rice the cauliflower with the stem attached. 4. Brush some olive oil on the poblano pepper, then fry over medium-high heat for a couple of minutes. Set aside. 5. Add the cauliflower and butter to the pan, then fry for 5 to 6 minutes or until semi-soft. 6. Chop up the poblano pepper and add it to the cauliflower. Remove from the pan and keep warm. 7. Add remaining olive oil to the pan, then fry eggs sunny side up or to your own preference. 8. Serve the eggs with cauliflower hash and sour cream dip. Season with additional salt and pepper if desired. Then enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 2 servings of keto cauliflower hash with poblano peppers and eggs. Each serving comes out to be 528 calories, 46.7 grams fat, 7 grams net carbs, and 18.3 grams protein. If you want to get a custom keto diet made up for you, just click on the link in the description below for more recipes.